Warm welcome to all. Today it's about the personal impact of Jupiter's transit in Ashalesha Nakshatra for all the signs. I already talked about the impact of Jupiter's transit in Ashalesha Nakshatra in the previous video. This transit can feel like an emotional note is finally opening but also asking us for a mature decision after a long period of inner uncertainty. At the same time, Saturn in Revati Nakshatra, where Jupiter is aspecting Saturn, is also adding some karmic seriousness here. And because Mercury is ruling the results here, expect the impact on our mind first, our communication, all the documentation work, our decision, and how we process everything around. Do watch the Cancer and the Leo placement of your chart. And also both the Mercury ruled sign, that is Gemini and Virgo, for some major transformation and correction. Still, for everyone, some confusion can be cleared, some old pressure can be released, and one new chapter is slowly starting for every one of us. Start with Aries. For Aries, this transit can strongly impact your home life, your family, your property related matter, your inner peace, everything related to children, stock market, creativity, love of your life, and the confidence in better future. You may feel that one emotional burden inside your home and family life is now asking for some release. At the same time, life can slowly open a fresh chapter for your children, maybe in education, your creative work, romance, or something that helped your heart feel alive again. If there has been some confusion in your family decisions, your living situation, maybe emotional security, or your personal relationship, then this time can start clearing it. Still, do not react to one emotional wave here. Handle all your family matters very carefully and do not let any pride spoil a new opening in love or in some creative work. Also, be very careful emotionally loaded stories around home, love, or your children that sound too dramatic to be true. And don't let anyone pull you into any guilt, any pressure, or some sweet words without any substance in that. The more honestly you release the old hurt, the easier it becomes to welcome a brighter new start in your life. Taurus. For Taurus, this period can affect your communication, your siblings, your courage, your daily movement, your short travel, your home, family life, and your peace of mind the most. Some old confusion in communication may now get exposed first. Some conversation, some document related thing, your decisions, your sibling matters, or travel related matter can become very important and in focus. At the same time, life may ask for a new beginning in your home matters, your emotional foundation, or your sense of safety here. If you were carrying something silently, this transit will bring a chance to speak more clearly about it and also to emotionally settle with something that was disturbing your peace of mind. Avoid overthinking, any mixed signals, or emotional reactions in your communication. Say what is needed, but say it calmly, not stubbornly. Do not believe every message, offer, or explanation at first hearing. If something feels polished but unclear, verify it before you trust it. This can become a healing period also, where both your voice and your inner base gets reset. Gemini. For Gemini, this is one of the very important transit. Your money, your speech, your family values, confidence, your day to day decisions, the courage that you have, your skills, and your self expression can all go through a strong change, some shift. Because Mercury rules your sign, what you think, say, write, what you sign on document, or what you decide during this time can have a long term impact. So be careful. If there has been some confusion around your finances, your self worth, your family expectations, or your own next step in life, this transit can slowly clear it all. Expect some changes with a new start in the way you communicate, in your personal efforts, your business, maybe new ideas that you have, some new learnings, your content work, your travel decisions, or you may take a bold decision that helps you move ahead in your life. This is not the time to speak from anxiety or make promises only to reduce the pressure at once. Choose your words very carefully because the right words can open your next chapter here. Be extra alert with the documents work, any deals that you sign, the sales talks, or anything that sounds oversized or cleverly packaged here. Not every impressive plan deserves your name on it. Be sure of that. This can become a major correction period for your mindset, your confidence, and also your future direction. Cancer. For Cancer, this is one of the strongest transit of the year. Jupiter in Ashlesha can impact directly to your identity, your appearance, your emotions, health, your confidence, your family conditioning, your finances, and the way you see your own future from here. You may feel that an old emotional skin is now peeling away. Some confusion about who you are, what you want, what you should continue, or what you need to release now can become very clear to you. Expect a grand new start in your money matters, your family values, your speech, your self worth, and the way you build stability for your own self. This is not a small reset for you. It can feel like life is asking you to become emotionally cleaner, stronger, and more truthful with your own self first. Don't hold on to any guilt, any emotional control, or your old version of self. And also, don't spend, speak, or decide only to keep temporary peace here. This is the best time to stay away from people or situation that play with your emotions or present a dream that has no solid ground to stand on. If something tries to pull you with fear, with sympathy, or fantasy, pause before you commit. The more honestly you clear your past, the more powerful your next beginning becomes. Be sure of that. Leo. For Leo, this transit can feel very deep, private, and karmic in nature. It may impact your sleep pattern, the healing process, your hidden emotions. It may bring a closure. Uh, Maybe your expenses will be in the focus, your inner confusion, and the silent ending of one old chapter can be expected. You may not always show it outside, but inside a lot can be changing. Something may be releasing from the background first. And then later expect a grand new start in your own life, your identity, in your health, in your confidence, maybe also your look with a new future direction. So, this is a very important preparation time for you. What is clearing now is making space for the next version of you. Do not ignore any emotional stress or hide what needs your healing and attention. And also, do not keep feeding any confusion that is ready to end here. Watch any secretive situation, some hidden expenses, or influential people who keep things like vague, not clear. If the story remains in the shadow for too long, it may not deserve your faith or trust here. This transit can feel like deep clearing before a visible rebirth here. Virgo. For Virgo, this transit can impact very strongly. Your friendships, your desires, gains, your future plans, your social circle, your personal emotions, even rest, your healing, reflection in your life, and the hidden stress can all become very important. And because Mercury rules your sign, mental correction can become the major part of the story here. You may clearly see which people, goals, or your desire still belongs in your future and which ones only is draining your energy. At the same time, a new beginning is slowly forming in the background. In a quiet way, through some healing, with your clarity of mind, your emotional rest, some closure, some long distance travel, and also freedom from the old inner pressure that you were carrying. This is not always a loud outer start. It is first a deep emotional clearing. Avoid trying to manage every uncertainty mentally. Do not stay loyal to an old social pattern that no longer feels straight in the mind. Also, be selective about the advices that you get, the group influence, and the promises linked with the future gains. If something has been sold to you through idealism alone, step back and examine it properly. When the confusion clears from inside, your outer direction also becomes stronger here. Libra. For Libra, this transit can strongly affect your career, your reputation, your public role, your image, your goals, your friendships, gains, and your long term plans. You may understand very clearly what kind of future still makes sense and what has become emotionally draining now. Some pressure in your work or your public image may force a correction in your goals or in your association also. Expect a new start with your friendships, your network, your audience, the collaborations that you make with others, or a dream that now becomes more realistic. If there has been some confusion around who is truly with you, this period will reveal it. Avoid saying yes to every group or every opportunity just to be fond of by others. Choose the path that feels clean, sustainable, and also emotionally right here. Do not get pulled by glamorous public promises, any networking charm, or amplified future projections. What shines socially is not always trustworthy privately. A good fortune and good future can start once any wrong expectations are released. Do remember that. Scorpio. For Scorpio, this period can impact your higher learning, travel related matters, your faith in life, any legal matters, documentation, your career related things, your reputation, and also your future life direction. You may feel that one belief, plan, or one old idea of success is now changing in your mind. Confusion can become clear through some guidance, your experience in life, or a new understanding of what you really want in your life or what you want to build in life. There can be a grand new start within your career. Maybe your authorities are changing. Your public image also is changing. Your work responsibility has been turning to a new point, or some long term professional decision that you are making. If you have been waiting for some clarity in any direction, this transit can start giving it slowly. But do not react stubbornly if life changes the plan of what you have chosen, or you try to chase the outer success while ignoring your own emotional truth here. Be careful of any impressive teaching, or even your travel plan or some authority figures that promises too much too quickly here. If something sounds larger than life, let time test it first. The best results come when your public direction and your inner honesty both start working together. Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, this transit can bring some major changes in your finances, your trust in the goodness of life, some emotional intensity, your unknown fear, maybe about some higher learning, your travel plans, and also your larger path of life. Something hidden may come up for some honest release here, some trust issues, your financial dependency, emotional bond, or old fear may now need some mature handling. There can be a new start with your mentors, some teachings, maybe about studies, the blessings with a wider sense of purpose here, and also some legal matters. If confusion has been blocking your next step, this transit will gradually remove that fog. Avoid any extreme reactions, emotional borrowing, or giving your power away here. Stay cautious in all money matters, what you share, your commitments, or your belief system that ask for blind surrender here. Depth is good for sure, but the blind trust can become costly here. So be careful. This is a very good time to release what drains you and move toward a more meaningful future with wisdom. Capricorn. For Capricorn, this transit can strongly affect your relationships, your marriage, your clients, any agreements that you are in, the trust within your relations, and the responsibilities that comes with relation, and also any emotional honesty here. Your own confusion becomes very clear by close relations or through your partners. Some relationship pattern may now need some release. Expect a brand new start within your relations with some deeper trust, maybe financial restructuring, emotional bonding, some joint responsibilities, or a more honest agreement here. If something has been unspoken for too long, this time can bring it to the surface. Do not stay in a bond that survives only through avoidance, and don't fear any difficult conversation here. Be careful with charming partners, any client promises, or some half clear agreements. If the wording is slippery, slow down before saying yes to anything. Clear handling now can open a much clearer and honest chapter within your close relations, any bond, and also in your personal life that brings you peace of mind. Aquarius. For Aquarius, this transit can impact your work, your health, your day to day routine, your stress level, your work condition, your close relationship, marriage, and one on one dealings. Confusion in your daily life, your work rhythm, your duties, or an important relationship now may need some correction. You may understand that some habits are draining you more than helping you. There can be a new start within your partnership, some commitments that you make with your clients, support from others, or a more balanced way of dealing with people directly will come into focus. If a relationship has been carrying some hidden tension, this transit will start clearing it. Avoid any overwork, emotional withdrawal, or any passive resentment also. Also, keep an eye on any misleading work setup, unclear responsibilities, or people who make things around easier than they really are. Practical clarity will protect you more than optimism alone here. Do keep in mind. One mature adjustment in your routine and some honest step in your relationship can change a lot here. Pisces. For Pisces, this transit can affect your love life, your children, the creative projects that you are handling with some new learning skills, your daily work, your health routine, and your ability to enjoy life without carrying too much emotional weight here. Something around your heart may now ask for release. Maybe a romantic issue, some child related matter, the creative pressure that you feel, or emotional expectation may need a cleaner handling now. Expect a new start within your work pattern, maybe your health improvement, better habits, good schedule with your practical order. That will make a huge difference. And if confusion has been affecting your peace of mind, then this transit gradually sort it out through some simple daily correction. Do not escape into hope without any action behind it, or make your joy depend completely on one person or one result. Be cautious of any fantasy, over emotional investment, or flattering attention that hides some practical truth here. If reality and imagination are not matching here, choose reality first. When your daily life becomes cleaner, your heart also becomes lighter here. That was all about the personal impact for all the signs. Overall, Jupiter in Achlesha can bring release of old emotional nodes, confusion, clearing of all the confusion that you have, and a new beginning in certain areas of your life related to Leo, Cancer, Gemini, and Virgo specifically. This can be a strong personal and mentally significant time. It is asking for emotional honesty, some careful decisions, and a more mature response to life. This is not only about feeling something strongly, it is also about understanding it, applying our wisdom, correcting it properly, and moving ahead with more maturity. If you release the old pattern properly, a wiser chapter can start from here for sure. That was all about Jupiter in Ashlesha. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone with this transit. Thank you for your time. Do share your experiences in the comments and stay tuned for the next transit update. Thank you.